Good morning and welcome to day 260. Found you.
Son of a bitch.
What are you doing? What should we do today?
What do you mean?
I don't know. How can we make the vlog interesting today?
We talk about one of our techs leaving us like an asshole.
That was Braulio.
Oh, yeah, go talk to Braulio. Radio! Radio!
Can't see me, but I'm smiling. Hi, how's it going?
What are you doing, Braulio?
I don't know, I came here to talk to you.
Talk to me.
Scraper?
Scraper. It's Friday. Friday. Always,
My mommy was texting me, okay?
always on your phone.
My mommy was texting me.
You're always on your phone.
You know what? I had to text my mom.
Why?
Because
What kind of important stuff does she need to know while you're at work?
it's actually it's classified information. You know, I can't really post what conversations I have with my mother to the public world. You know, it's private. Hashtag private.
You should just scrape them. Day 260?
Nope, that's 260. Nope, it's 2557.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Can you do anything yet?
How
Do
loud?
you have anything interesting to say? Okay, good talk, good talk, good talk.
Okay. Okay. So,
Talk to me.
what's the word?
The word on what?
What's the word?
The bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird.
Meow, 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 meow.
Mow mow, mow mow, mow mow, mow mow, mow mow, mow mow. Anyway,
I got a message. A message for people who like to leave negative comments on people's videos, negative reviews. See what the problem is where they fucked up when they started this country is give everybody the right to freedom of speech. Everywhere else that's in line, they don't got that. See what I mean? Everyone's gotta have an opinion, and everyone's opinion gotta be right. Right? So everybody's opinion has to be right. I don't know where that, what is that? Is that, did they write that shit down somewhere? Or is that like the law of how opinion, look up opinion in the dictionary. Again. It's fucked up. all I gotta say to that. Also, I'm kind of salty. I'm super salty because you asked everybody yesterday if they can do a skill. Do you have any special skills you can do? Do you have any tricks you can do? Let me see some tricks. You asked everybody else that except for me.
Damn. That is fucked up. I think that's racist.
Mike.
No. Don't
Mike.
ask him now. No. Take that shit elsewhere. Take that shit elsewhere.
Can you do
That's
any
bullshit.
tricks?
No, fuck that shit.
Can
Keep
you
it to
do?
yourself.
Do you
Keep
have?
it to yourself.
Do you have any special?
Keep it to yourself.
Do you have any special skills that you can do? Backflips, front
If he
flips.
wants to be a dick like that, keep it to yourself. Don't even show.
What can you do?
Don't even tell him.
What can you do?
I bet you. I'm the only one in this facility that can juggle.
Juggle? What do you got to juggle?
Any 3 liked objects.
All right, let's find 3 like objects. Put them to the test. Come on, Tony, find something.
We'll be back after these messages.
Be back after these messages. I don't really think he can do it. I don't really think he can do it. All right, let's go.
I'm trying to fucking juggle.
Say it.
I learned it in 1 day, dude.
Let's see
I learned it in
your.
1 day, dude.
Let's see your skill.
If I do it, I give you $10.
I don't have $10, but
How many rotations
I owe
are
you.
I need to see that. That's not juggling.
Hold on. Wait.
That's not juggling. What are you guys doing?
Are you really?
How many mechanics does it take to fix a service truck?
Apparently the whole fucking field department.
Ah!